In a high-stakes educational environment, you want to accurately and easily assess student knowledge. Multiple-choice questions do that. The key to successful item design, however, is in minimizing the amount of guessing that is possible. Let's take a look at an example. The first part of the question is called the stem, and it should be written as a question. Great stems are constructed such that after students read the stem, if they have mastered the content, they'll know the answer. If you're a science buff or were just a good student in school, you may know that the process here is called photosynthesis. This is the correct answer, also known as the keyed response. Along with the keyed response is a set of distractors. They must be selected thoughtfully so that they distract the student who has some level of knowledge but has not mastered the content. That way, only those students with sufficient mastery should select the correct answer. Let's take a look at these. Respiration is the other major process of plant metabolism. Students may be familiar with both photosynthesis and respiration, but the student who possesses content mastery will be able to easily select the correct response. Chlorophyll will be another term familiar to the students. It is required for photosynthesis, but chlorophyllism is not the correct answer. Autotrophs are organisms that produce food from elements in the environment. Green plants are autotrophs that produce food through photosynthesis. As you can see, all of the distractors are closely related to the content, thus increasing the likelihood that only those students with a clear understanding of the content will select the correct answer. These are the components of a multiple choice question: the stem, keyed response, and distractors.